Welcome home, Emma.
Hi, Mom.
You look like you have something on your mind. Is everything okay?
I'm just a bit tired from school.
Let's sit down. You can tell me about it.
Okay, Mom. Mom, I want to tell you something.
Of course. Tell me.
I want to get a part-time job.
A part-time job? Why?
Because university expenses are very high. There are tuition fees, transportation, books, and many other costs. I know you and Dad work very hard every day to pay for everything.
But that's okay, sweetheart. Are you missing anything? Do you need more money?
No, Mom. I have everything I need. But I see how hard you and Dad work, and I want to help reduce your burden.
Emma, parents always do their best for their children. Even when it's difficult, we want you to focus on your education.
I understand, but I'm older now. I don't want to depend on you forever. I want to earn some money and become more independent.
I understand, Emma.
Thank you.
I appreciate how thoughtful you are.
So, will you let me try?
I'll agree. But you have to promise me one thing.
Anything.
Your studies must always come first. If working starts affecting your grades, you'll have to stop.
I promise, Mom. I'll only work during my free time. My studies will always be my priority.
Then I support your decision.
Thank you, Mom. Excuse me? Hello. Are you hiring part-time staff?
Yes, we are. Please come in.
Thank you.
No problem. Let me get you an application.
Okay, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Emma.
Where do you live?
I live nearby with my parents.
What do you do every day?
I'm a university student. I attend classes every morning.
Do you have any previous work experience?
No. This would be my first job.
Thank you. That's perfectly fine. Everyone starts somewhere. We'll teach you everything you need to know as long as you're willing to learn and work hard.
Thank you.
May I ask why you want to work while you're still studying?
My parents work very hard to pay for my tuition, books, clothes, groceries, and transportation. I want to earn some money to help reduce their financial burden.
That's very thoughtful of you, Emma.
Thank you.
Great. Your working hours will be from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Can you manage that?
Yes, I can.
Wonderful. Welcome to our team.
Thank you so much. I'll do my best.
Emma, ready for your first customer?
Yes, I'm a little nervous.
You'll be great. Just carry it carefully.
Here is your coffee. Thank you.
Emma, you've been coming home late every day this week. Where have you been?
Dad,
You look exhausted. Are you feeling okay?
I'm fine, Dad.
Then tell me honestly, where do you go after school?
After school, I've been working part-time at a cafe.
What? You've been working?
Yes,
Why didn't you tell me?
because I wanted to help you and Mom. I see both of you working so hard every day to support me. I wanted to help reduce your burden.
Emma,
I know working and studying is tiring, but I really want to contribute.
my dear, you don't have to do this. Your mother and I can still support you.
I know, Dad, but working has taught me how hard it is to earn money. I appreciate everything you and Mom have done for me even more now.
You really have grown up.
Emma, you're home. Why are you both standing outside?
Did you know Emma has been working part-time?
Yes. I'm sorry I didn't tell you earlier.
Why didn't you tell me?
Emma came to me first. She wanted to try working because she genuinely wanted to help us. I agreed because she promised it wouldn't affect her studies.
Emma, you look so tired.
I'm a little tired because I'm still getting used to it, but I'm okay. I can balance both work and school.
Are you sure?
Yes, Dad. I promise my education will always come first. I'll manage my time carefully.
She's been keeping her promise so far.
Emma, your kindness and responsibility make me very proud.
Thank you, Dad.
We never expected you to carry our burden. We simply wanted you to focus on your future.
And I want to build that future while learning responsibility and helping our family.
We're so proud of you.
We love you very much.
I love you both too. Thank you for always believing in me.
Don't worry! Stay back! I've got this! Go away! Go! Leave us alone! Gone! Get out of here! It's gone now. We're safe. You protected me?
Yes, I didn't want you to get hurt.
Mom!
But-
Dad, this is so delicious!
Eat slowly, dear.
I'm so hungry. I haven't all day.
I'm full already. I don't want the rest. A donut?
Hey! That's mine. Why are you eating my donut?
I was hungry. You weren't eating it.
I was saving it. Give it back. That's Baymax! I'm sorry. I was just very hungry.
Lena, stop that right now!
She is hungry, Lena. You threw it away. You should learn to share.
A kind heart is more important than anything else.
Thank you. Sir, ma'am, thank you so much.
Here, take these two.
Thank you. I will never forget your kindness.
I don't like this, but don't go.
That girl is so polite and gentle.
Yes. And she has no one to take care of her.
What if we bring her home and raise her?
We only have one child. Maybe this is the right thing to do.
Let's do it. Sofa, from today on, this is your home.
Thank you. I will do my best.
Don't think we are friends.
Girls, please help clean the house while we are away.
Work together, okay? All right, we'll be back soon.
Be good for us.
Yes.
You, do all the work.
But we are supposed to help together.
No, you clean, wash dishes, and even the bathroom.
Okay. I'll do it, Tim.
Wow, the house is so clean.
Good job, Lena.
You did a wonderful job.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
We're very proud of you.
What a beautiful day!
Help me! It's going to bite me!
Don't worry. Stay back. I've got this.
Go away! Go! Leave us alone! Gone! Get out of here! It's gone now. We're safe. You protected me?
Yes, I didn't want you to get hurt.
But I was so mean to you.
That's okay.
No, it's not okay. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Hey, it's okay. I forgive you.
Thank you.
It's okay, Lena.
I'm here.
We'll always be friends. No matter what.
Can we be sisters? Not just in the house, but in our hearts?
Yes, I would like that very much.
Let's clean together and share everything. I'll wipe the table. I'll sweep the floor. We're a great team. Yes, we are.
My turn. Red goes here.
I'll move green next. You're both doing great.
Look at that strategy. I got a bonus card.
Yay! This is fun!
Look at them. They're finally getting along.
This is what true happiness looks like. This looks delicious, everyone. Thank you. Here you go, sweetie.
Thank you, Mommy. Yeah,
Let's eat.
I've got it!
Yay! Go, Mom!
Great catch, honey.
Mine to me!
The little girl walked to the park.
She saw a beautiful butterfly.
The butterfly is so pretty.
Yes, it is very pretty.
Good night, sweet dreams. Good night. I love you. I love you too. See you in the morning.
Stella, come here. Yes.
Wash these clothes.
But I'm tired.
Stop complaining and do it.
Stella,
Dad?
why are you cleaning the floor alone?
I was just teaching her some housework.
And you're sitting there watching TV?
No, I clean every day.
Stop lying to me! Now I understand everything.
Please listen to me.
Stella, breakfast is ready.
Coming, Grandma.
Eat well before your father goes to work.
Good morning, my little girl.
Good morning, Dad.
Be a good girl and listen to Grandma while I'm at work, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Don't worry. I'll take care of her.
I'll be back this evening.
Grandma, can we water the flowers?
Of course. Let's do it together.
I like spending time with you.
And I love spending time with you too, my dear.
I miss Mom sometimes.
I know, sweetheart. But your father and I will always love you.
Dad, you're home.
Stella, I want you to meet someone.
Who is she?
She is going to be part of our family now.
Hello, Stella. Nice to meet you.
Stella, this is your new mother. She is your stepmother now.
What?
Call her Mom.
No, I don't want to. Dad, why are you doing this?
Stella, calm down. Because I think this is best for our family.
I don't need a new mother.
She's a kind person.
Grandma and I are fine already.
She can help take care of the house and help Grandma too.
I still don't agree.
You'll understand one day.
Dinner is ready.
Wow, this smells delicious. Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help this family.
See, Stella? She's trying her best.
Stella, come here. Yes.
Wash these clothes.
But I'm tired.
Stop complaining and do it.
She's only a child. Then she should learn responsibility while she's young. You shouldn't force Stella to do heavy work.
Why not?
She's still too young.
If she learns now, she won't become lazy later. There are limits. And what about you? You stay home too. Don't speak to me like that. My husband works hard while you both do nothing.
Grandma, I don't like her.
I know, sweetheart.
She always makes me work.
Don't worry. I'll talk to your father again.
Your wife is treating Stella badly.
She makes me do everything at home.
That's not true.
We're telling the truth.
You two always complain about her.
Dad?
Enough. She's trying her best for this family.
Mark?
I don't want to hear it anymore. I can't stay here anymore. I'm walking out.
Stella, clean this mess.
Why did you throw trash everywhere?
Don't talk back to me.
You could clean it yourself.
Hurry up and mop the floor.
I don't feel well today.
Stella,
Dad?
why are you cleaning the floor alone?
I was just teaching her some housework.
And you're sitting there watching TV?
No, I clean every day.
Stop lying to me! Now I understand everything.
Please listen to me.
My mother and daughter were telling the truth all along.
It's just a misunderstanding.
Enough. Dad? I saw it with my own eyes.
Pack your things and leave this house.
What?
We don't need you anymore.
Please give me another chance.
No.
You hurt my family, Mark.
Leave now.
She's leaving!
Stella. Mom, I'm sorry.
You understand now. That's enough.
I should have listened to you both.
Dad, do you still love me?
Of course I do. I always will.
I'm happy now.
Come here, both of you.